In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly search for specific words or phrases on a web page using Microsoft Edge. Many of us often find ourselves on lengthy web pages with loads of text, and scrolling endlessly to find what we need can be quite time-consuming and frustrating. Thankfully, using the Find feature in Microsoft Edge can make this process incredibly efficient. To get started, if you aren't already, open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you're on the browser, look to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll see three dots arranged vertically. This icon gives you access to a range of options and settings that can enhance your browsing experience. Click on those three dots and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear with various options for different functions. Here, what we're interested in is the Find feature. You might immediately spot it right there in the menu, or you might need to scroll through the list a bit. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and want to speed things up, simply press Ctrl and F at the same time on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick way to activate the feature without navigating through the menu. Once you've selected Find, you'll see a new bar appear, either at the top or bottom of your browser window. This is called the Find bar, and it's where all the magic happens. It allows you to input any word or phrase you are looking for on the current web page. Simply type what you're searching for into this Find bar. As you type, Microsoft Edge will highlight all instances of your search term on the page, allowing you to easily locate the precise information you need without any hassle. That's essentially it. This tool is especially useful for quickly jumping to sections of interest in lengthy documents or articles without manually scanning the entire text. It's a simple yet powerful way to save time and streamline your web browsing. Whether you're working on a research project, reading a long article, or just trying to find a specific detail. Remember, whether you're using it for work, study, or just personal use, the Find feature is a little trick that can make navigating the web much more efficient. Keep this tool in your digital toolbox, and you'll find that it can really enhance your productivity. Happy searching, and thanks for joining me in making the most out of Microsoft Edge today.